Claude Code 2.1.239. A proxy bug was quietly doubling Bedrock API bills, and there's now a one-command path to the new Anthropic Python SDK. Behind proxies that strip the response, content type header, Bedrock streaming silently fell back to non-streaming, replaying every turn and doubling what you were billed. Streaming now holds even when a proxy gets in the way. Moving a Python project off the old Anthropic SDK? One command handles it. It migrates your project to the 1.x SDK, and the reference now matches. Timeouts use Anthropic's own timeout class instead of the HTTPX one. And the rest, quick hits across JetBrains, fullscreen, resume, and Windows. All on screen. Quick plug, I built a side project called VibeMon. It quietly tracks your Claude Code activity, your focus time, your projects, your streak, and turns it into a slime that's yours. It's free at vibemon.dev. That's the release. Stick around. Subscribe for the next one.